Okay, so this would be now the topic which will be all about the equal sets and equivalent sets. So we have here two different definitions for the two. Okay, so when we see equal sets, set A is equals to set B. It is denoted by A is equal to set B if and only if A and B, okay, have exactly the same elements. Meaning, ang concern dito ni equal set class is if ano, okay, so this is the example. If anong elements ang andyan, okay, anong letters, anong numbers, anong variables ang andyan, okay, so whatever element is there, it must be present also on the other side. Okay? So, meaning, we have here D, E, F. Kailangan class makikita mo rin yan siya sa kabilang set for it to be said na equal. Kaya nga siya tinawag equal kasi they have exactly the same elements. So, if, for example, merong G dito, so this will now not make the set equal. Because again, when we say equal, they have exactly the same elements. Okay? So, yan ang concern ni equal set. Okay, now, we have here for the equivalent set. So, set A is equivalent to set B denoted by A is equivalent to set B if and only if A and B have the same number of elements. So, we have here, for instance, ma'am, the same lagi ang nito, example with equal set. Yes, a set, once a set is an equal, it could also be an equivalent set. Okay? So, when we say again equivalent set, it has the same number of elements. So, wala siyang pakialam class kung anong letters or variables ang andyan, basta ang dalawa is the same number. Meaning, okay, so we have here DEF, so we have here 1, 2, 3, so kailangan tatlo din ang nasa kabila for it to be said na equivalent. Another example for that one is, for example, we have here the set, okay, D, E, F, okay, equal to the set of A, B, C, for example. Okay, yes, this is still an equivalent set. Okay, so this is still an equivalent set class. Because again, wala siyang pakialam kung anong letters or variables. Ang concern ni equivalent set is how many numbers are there in the given set. So we have here DEF, so tatlo yung andyan, and then sa kabila is tatlo din, so therefore this is now an equivalent set. So that is the difference between the two. Okay, so let's have here examples. Okay, so let's try to state whether each of the following pairs of sets are equal. So identify natin if it is equal, equivalent, both, okay, meaning equal siya, equivalent din siya. Neither means wala sa dalawa. Hindi siya equivalent, hindi din siya equal. Okay, so we have here the first example. The set A, I, E, U, U, and the set 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19. So let's try to examine. So is it equal ba? Lahat ba ng element dito na si A, I, E, U, U, makikita mo dito sa kabila? So obviously, hindi mo siya makikita. So therefore, okay, therefore class, this is not an equal set. Now, let's try to examine if it is equivalent. So let's count. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's try to count also on the other side if they also have, or if the set also have 5 elements. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So therefore, class, pareho silang dalawa na 5 elements ang number of elements. So therefore, this is now an equivalent set. So the answer here is equivalent. Okay. So the answer there, class, is equivalent. Okay, but hindi siya equal. Now next, you have here the second one. So 4, -2, and 7. So obviously, hindi mo siya makikita sa kabila. So therefore, hindi siya equal. Now, let's try to examine if is it equivalent ba. So we have here 1, 2, 3 number of elements. Sa kabila is 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, the first set, merong tatlo. Sa second set, merong apat. So therefore, class, okay, ang answer natin dito is neither. Meaning, wala sa dalawa. Okay? And then here, so, okay, we observe that heart, spade, clover, and diamond. Okay, so we have here heart, spade, clover, and diamond is also present in the set L. Okay, so and then si diamond, heart, uh, clover, and spade. Okay, so therefore, the answer for this one class is both. Okay, so kasagaran class, pag equal siya, automatically, equivalent na din siya. Okay? So that is the difference. Okay? The same pa rin in the fourth example, we have 11, 12. Okay? So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Makikita mo din siya sa kabila. So therefore, the answer is still both. Okay? The same number of elements. Okay? 5 equivalent, and then the same din siya. Okay? Next is we have here A, I, E, O, U. And then the second one is we have U, O, I, A, E, A. So, they are still both equal and equivalent. So, the answer here is both. So, that is class D, difference between the equal and equivalent set. Si equal again, ang concern niya is ano? Ang mga elements. Okay? But equivalent, ang concern niya is the number or ilan ang elements. Wala siyang pakialam if what is the element. Okay? So, that is the difference between the two. So, that would be all for our topic. Okay.